In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign Edit Dashboards permission to a user. This task might seem daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with adjusting user permissions in Salesforce. First things first, we need to head over to your Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged in and go to the Home section. This is where we'll begin our journey toward adjusting user permissions. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the top corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings icon. Give it a click. This icon is your gateway to customizing your Salesforce setup, and today it's your first step towards assigning dashboard editing permissions. After clicking the settings icon, a menu will pop up. From here, select Open Advanced Setup. This step is crucial as it leads you to the area where Salesforce settings can be configured at a more detailed level. Think of this as moving from the general settings to a more specific area that deals with user roles and permissions. Next, find the Administration tab. Clicking on this tab will allow us to manage users effectively. Once you're there, click on Users. This section displays everyone who has access to your Salesforce account, and it's where you can make important changes to their permissions. Inside the Users section, look for the Profiles option and click on it. Profiles in Salesforce determine what parts of the system a user can see and what actions they can perform. It's crucial to choose the correct profile for the user you want to give dashboard editing access to. Now, browse through the list of profiles and click on the specific profile you'd like to edit. This could be someone in marketing who needs to update dashboards regularly, or a team leader who needs to oversee multiple reports. Once you've selected a profile, click on Edit to start making changes. Within the profile settings, you'll see various sections. Scroll down to find the Custom App Settings, Tab Settings, Administrative Permissions, and General User Permissions. Adjust these settings as needed to ensure the user can edit dashboards effectively. Finally, after you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget the last and very important step. Click on Save. Save. This action registers all your changes within the Salesforce system, ensuring that the user can now properly edit dashboards. Congratulations! You've successfully assigned Edit Dashboards permission to a user in Salesforce. Remember, permissions and profiles are powerful tools for managing what users can do within your Salesforce environment, so use them wisely. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in making your Salesforce experience more productive. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources for additional profiles and permission settings.